need help for admits, you guys just share the link lah for today's class. Free only. Okay, kelas ni percuma untuk semua. Okay, free of charge. Okay, come. We start with the first question. Okay, so first question, we are talking about circular measure. Okay, bab sukatan membulat. So this is your Form 5, Chapter 1. Okay, so let's see the first question. Okay, so the first question, they ask you to determine the range of length of arc. Okay, kamu kena tentukan julat panjang lengkok, which is S, in term of M and pi. Okay, so can anyone tell me what will be the range? Apa julat dia? So julat maksudnya jawapan kamu kena dalam bentuk ni lah. Okay, whenever they ask you about range, your answer format must be something like this. Okay, A and B is your constant, pemala. Okay, these two are we call constant, okay, or pemala in BM. And then S is your arc length lah. Okay, S tu adalah panjang lengkok. Alright. Okay, so now, so what will be your A value? Can anyone tell me? Apakah nilai A kamu kat sini? Cuba. What will be your A value? So mereka bagi tahu jejari M dan sudut POR tu B radian. Okay. So now you must try and see lah. Okay, what is your range? So anyone? Apa nilai terkecil julat? Nilai terkecil panjang lengkok kamu. What is your shortest length? Anyone can tell the answer? In term of M and pi ya guys, kamu kena bagi jawapan dalam sebutan M dan pi. So anyone want to try? What is your shortest arc length? Apa lengkok yang terpendek? Siapa ada jawapan? Who have the answer? Anyone? Hello, cepat. What is your shortest arc length? Siapa tak tahu macam mana buat soalan ni? Who don't know how to do the question? Comment. Siapa tak tahu? Okay guys, this question only 2 marks, you know. 2 markah sahaja. Maksudnya jawapan dia paling pendek. Okay, it's a very short answer one. So guys, when they say shortest arc length, so kamu tahu kan rumus untuk kira panjang lengkok S sama dengan J theta. Okay, S equal R theta for arc length. So guys, how to get the shortest arc length? Macam mana nak dapat panjang lengkok paling kurang? Kamu kena buat apa? What must you do so that you can get a very short arc length? Can anyone tell? Based on the formula, berdasarkan rumus ni, macam mana boleh dapat panjang lengkok paling rendah? Anyone want to try? Nak cuba? How to get S very low? Siapa ada jawapan? Who has the answer? You want your S to be low, guys. MB. Okay. Kamu kena hati-hati. Soalan ada bagi tahu tak? Nak bagi jawapan dalam sebutan beta. Yes or no? Did the question say you can give your answer in term of beta? Read carefully, guys. Baca betul-betul soalan. Can you give answer beta? Cannot, right? Tak boleh kan? Pi over 2 M less than S less than M pi. Yes, betul. Okay, that is the correct answer, guys. Itu adalah jawapan betul. Okay, so first step. What is obtuse angle? Can anyone tell me? What is the range of an obtuse angle? Apa julat bagi sudut cakar? Maksudnya apa nilai terkecil and apa nilai terbesar? Yes. Okay, which mean that 90 until 180. Okay, so this is what quadrant, guys. Yang ni quadrant ke berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one? 90 to 180. Which quadrant? Anyone? Quadrant ke berapa this one? Yes. Okay, this is quadrant 2. Quadrant kedua. Correct. But actually over here quadrant tak perlu lah. Okay, you no need to look at quadrant for this question because this one is circular measure. Bab sukatan membulat. Okay, so 90 degrees, guys. In radian, what is the answer? 90 darjah kalau kamu tukar ke bentuk radian. What do you get? What's the answer? 90 darjah ke radian. So anyone? Yes. Pi over 2, right? Yes. 180, 180 dalam radian, berapa? How much? Yes, pi. So guys, you can already start to count lah. Okay, kamu boleh mula kira dah. Okay, so S equal to R theta. So R to M, theta tu, kalau yang terkecil, pi over 2 lah. This is the smallest. M pi over 2. Largest, yang paling besar, maksudnya sudut pun kena besar lah. To get a large S, your angle must be large. Okay, because radius over here is constant, guys. Jari kat sini dia malahkan. So we can only change the angle. Kita hanya boleh ubah sudut dia. Okay, so that's why the answer is M pi. So maksudnya nilai A ni adalah M pi bagi 2 lah. Dan nilai B adalah M pi. Can you all understand? Boleh faham, guys? So this is the answer. Ini jawapan dia. Okay, are you guys clear for question 1? Boleh faham soalan 1? Yes or no? Can? If can, respond. Kalau boleh, tolong respond dalam comment section. Can Okay, so we go to question 2. Soalan kedua. Okay, so for this question, we're talking about Form 4 Chapter 1. Okay, Form 4 bab 1, iaitu fungsi. Okay, so first question, they ask you to find F inverse X. Kamu kena cari F songsang X. Okay, so how to find inverse function, guys? You find it from here lah. Okay, kamu cari dari fungsi biasa. Okay, so you just start fx equal to 2x minus 4. Okay, and then second step, guys, what must we do to find inverse function? Apa langkah kita? Sorry, first step. Langkah pertama. Yes, you let y always. Okay, you can say let y equal to fx. Okay, so you have y equal to 2x minus 4. Okay, and then what to do? You need to express x in term of y. Kamu kena ungkapkan x dalam sebutan y. So x equal to y plus 4 over 2. So this is your inverse function lah. Ini adalah fungsi songsang. So f inverse x equal to x plus 4 over 2. Itu saja. Do you all understand? Question A? Boleh kan? 1 mark only. 1 markah saja. So this is your final answer. Okay? Alright. So proceed. Okay, so next one. They ask you to state the relation between fx and f inverse x. So guys, fungsi biasa dan fungsi songsang. Apa hubungan antara mereka? What is the relationship between fx and f inverse x? Can anyone tell me? What is the relationship? Apa hubungan dia? Tak perlu. Okay, kalau kamu nak simplify pun boleh. Okay, you can simplify become x over 2 plus 2. This is what you mean, right? You want to simplify until like this. Is it? Can. No problem. This answer also can. Dua-dua pun boleh. You can stop here or you can stop here. Depend on you. Okay, so fx and f inverse x. What is the relationship, guys? Can anyone tell me? Apa hubungan dia? This one very important. SPM suka punya. Dia suka tanya yang ni selalu. In function chapter, you must know the relationship. Bukan, maksud hubungan saya bukan macam tu. Hubungan antara graf fx dan juga graf f songsang x. Itu soalan saya. What is the relationship between the fx graph and f inverse x graph? Can anyone tell me? That's what you must answer. So anyone? What is the answer? Apa jawapan dia? Apa hubungan dia? Yes, that is the answer I'm waiting. Reflection, pantulan. Okay, pantulan pada mana? Lebih spesifik. Pantulan pada garis mana? In which line do you reflect? Yes. Okay, always remember, guys. Fx and f songsang x adalah pantulan pada garis y sama dengan x. You have to reflect on this line. Okay, maksud saya, guys, kalau asalnya koordinat 1, 2, selepas pantulan apa koordinat dia? What is your coordinate, guys? Original 1, 2. So after I reflect, what is the answer? If you reflect on y equal to x. Yes. Kamu tukar kedudukan sajalah. 2, 1. Okay, you just need to switch the x and y because you reflect on this axis. Kamu pantulkan pada paksi ini. That's why kedudukan koordinat x dan y akan tukar. Okay, tapi nilai dia masih sama. The value is the same. Just the position only change. Okay? So now you can start to plot the graph lah. Kamu boleh lukis graph. Okay, so this one and this one. Okay, what type of graph is this, guys? Apa jenis graph yang ni? What type of function is it? 2x minus 4 and x plus 4 over 2. Apa jenis fungsi ni? Anyone? What type of graph? Is it straight line, curve line, macam mana? Garis lurus atau garis melengkung? How it will look lah? You see first. Okay? Straight line, correct. Okay, kedua-dua adalah graph garis lurus. Okay, so how do we plot? Okay, so exam, they already give you a clue. Okay, mereka dah bagi hints. So guys, this one is the y-intercept. Am I right? Pintasan y. So first point, of course, you plot here lah. Yes. Okay, then the second point, x-intercept. Pintasan x. So pintasan x, how much, guys? What is the x-intercept of this function? Apa pintasan x fungsi ni? What's the value? Anyone? Yes. Okay, 2, right? Okay, pintasan x dia 2 kan? So kamu lukis lah kat sini. Okay, so this is your straight line fx. Boleh faham? And then y equal to x. Sebab kamu kata dia adalah pantulan pada garis ni kan? Okay, so you draw this line lah. Okay, y equal to x. Okay, and then the second graph kedua, of course, you will have this point. Okay, and then what is the x-intercept of this graph? Can anyone tell me? Apa pintasan x graph kedua? This one also you must find. Yes. Okay, minus 4. Correct. Okay, so you just label minus 4 and then you connect. Okay, sambungkan. So guys, can you see that it is a reflection? Boleh nampak kan? Wait, this graph not so accurate. Sorry, my line not so accurate. Okay, because this one is my rough sketch, so it's not always the most accurate one. Okay, kadang-kadang dia tak sangat accurate. Okay, but you guys see the idea lah. Kamu boleh nampak idea dia. Okay, you can see over here. This one more accurate. Okay, so this is how you should draw the graph. Boleh faham? So make sure you show this line. This line is y equal to x. Okay, and then this one is fx. And then this one is f inverse x, f song sang. How to identify? Guys, x-intercept, how you identify? May I know? Everyone here. Macam mana cari pintasan x kamu? Modern maths also you guys learn. How? How to find x-intercept? Apa anggapan? Yes, y equals 0. That's all. You just let y equal to 0 in your equation. Katakan y atau fx sama dengan kosong. Itu saja. Okay? Very good. Make sure you guys remember this. You will use a lot in NMaths. Banyak guna yang ni dalam mana-mana bab pun. Okay? Because we are showing that it is an axis of reflection. That's why putus-putus. Yang ni adalah paksi pantulan, guys. Okay? That's why kita guna garis yang berbeza lah untuk membezakan graf biasa dengan paksi pantulan. Boleh faham? That's why kita putus-putus untuk paksi dia. When we always showing axis of reflection, right, guys, we will try to use dotted. Okay, because dotted line only can show you the difference between your normal graph and the axis. So it's better to draw dotted line. Lebih bagus lukis putus-putus bagi paksi itu. Okay? Can? Boleh faham, guys? Soalan kedua. Are you all clear on this? Okay? Question 2, no problem. If you guys got problem anytime, you guys just comment lah. Kalau kamu ada masalah tiba-tiba tak faham, kamu bagi tahu saja dalam ruangan komen. Okay? Jangan malu tanya. Okay? Don't be afraid to ask. Okay? So we come to question 3. Soalan ketiga. Okay, so question 3 is testing on probability, kebarangkalian. Okay, so guys, if you see this question, kamu nampak soalan ni binomial or normal? Tell me. Yang ni mana? Binomial atau normal? Yes. Okay, you can see the structure of the question. It is binomial. Okay, macam mana soalan tu tanya? Kamu tahu dah. Okay, because random. This is the keyword, guys. Okay, bila kamu nampak dipilih secara lawak, itu adalah kata kunci bagi binomial. Okay, this one is the keyword. Remember, random. Okay, so 10, okay, maksudnya N sama dengan 10 lah, 10 orang. And then they say 30% of the students cycle. Okay, 30% dia kayu basikal. So guys, this 30% is what value? 30% ni adalah nilai apa? What is the symbol for 30%? Anyone? 30%. Yes. Okay, this is the P value, guys. So P is equal to 0.3. Okay? So what is your Q value? Apa nilai Q? Yes, 1 minus P. So 0.7. Okay, so kamu dah analisis semua lah. So now you can read the question. So they say exactly 2 students not cycle to school. Okay, 2 orang murid tidak berbasikal ke sekolah. So guys, can I maintain this value for the first question? Boleh tak saya guna nilai ni untuk jawab soalan A? Yes or no? The rest? Yang lain? Yes or no? Okay, remember, cannot. Tak boleh. Okay, why? Because over here the question is, they terbalikkan the question. They say not cycle, tidak berbasikal. This value, 30% is for cycle, berbasikal. So means that for this question, you must switch the value. Kamu kena tukar nilai. Okay, so P is 0.7 and Q is 0.3. Do you understand? Can, right? So just be careful on this part. Kamu kena hati-hati. Apa maksud nilai P dan Q kamu? You must know how to define your P and Q value. What is meant by P and what is meant by Q. Yes? Which part? A. Okay. So what I meant is this. Jadi P tu apa yang soalan tu nak? P tu sebenarnya secara am mewakili kebarangkalian kejayaan. Itu kamu belajar kan dalam buku teks. Okay, P is probability of success. Tapi soalan A ni, dia tak merujuk kepada kejayaan. So, dia kata tidak. Tidak tu maksudnya kegagalan dah. Boleh faham tak? Whenever you see the word no, it means failure. Okay, it's negative. Dia adalah pernyataan negatif. That's why nilai ni dia kena tukar. You must switch the value P and Q. Hanya untuk soalan A lah. Only for A question. So you guys just need to read the question carefully. Okay, baca soalan betul-betul. Alright? Okay, Alright. So now you can start already. Boleh mula. Okay, so for A value, you guys just use the formula lah. NCR, TR, Qn minus R. Binomial. Okay, sub all the value. Gantikan semua. N is 10. And then P 0.7. Q 0.3. And then tekan calculator, dapat jawapan. That's all. Okay, I think very straightforward lah. Okay, dia sangat basic. Okay, so question B. At least, sekurang-kurangnya. So what is the symbol, guys? May I know? Sekurang-kurangnya. Apa simbol ketaksamaan dia? At least. So what is the symbol? Yes, very good. Okay, at least is this symbol. Ini adalah simbol ketaksamaan. Okay, got equal sign. Kena ingat, simbol sama dengan tu ada mainkan perbezaan. Dalam tabuhan binomial, ada beza. Okay, so now, at these two. So, X greater than or equal to 2. So, guys, macam mana kamu cari kebarangkalian ni? Will you take X equal to plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7? Adakah kamu akan buat macam ni? Kaedah ni sampai 10? Yes or no? Will you use this method? Logically lah, secara logik kamu nak guna ke kaedah ni? Tak. Am I right? Because it's very long. Okay, dia sangat panjang. So what is the concept you all will use? Kamu akan guna konsep satu tolak. Okay, you use 1 minus 0, 1, and also, sorry, itu sajalah. That's all. Okay, probability X is 0 and probability X equal to 1. So guys, in this B question, is the P value same as the A question? Adakah nilai P dan Q sama untuk soalan B ni ataupun kena tukar balik? Must you change back or maintain? Yes. Okay, because over here the question is positive. Okay, pernyataan ni adalah positif. They cycle to school, berbasikal. Okay, so that's why P is equal to 0.3, Q equal to 0.7 untuk soalan B. Okay, can get it? So guys, just sub all the information, gantikan semua, and then press calculator, get answer. Okay, anyone have problem pressing this into your calculator? If you have, please comment. Siapa tak tahu macam mana nak tekankan seluruh yang ni dalam calculator? Saya rasa sampai sekarang kamu kena tahulah sebab dekat dengan SPM dah. Am I right? By now, if you're from 5, you should know lah. So anyone got problem on this? How to press this in calculator? Ada siapa-siapa hadapi masalah? No ah? Okay, if none means okay. So yeah, we done already. Question 3 dah habis. Okay? So we continue. Okay, so question 4. Question 4 is on indices, surd and log. Okay? So this is Form 4 Chapter 4. Alright? Okay, so this question, they ask you to express B in term of A. Kamu kena ungkapkan B dalam sebutan A. So guys, what is your first step? Apa langkah pertama kamu? Whenever you see log question, what is the first thing you must do always? Kamu kena check apa dulu bila kamu lihat log. Yes, samakan asas. You must check the base. Correct. Yes. Okay, so guys, you want to convert to base 3 or base 9? May I know? Kamu nak tukar asas 3 atau 9? Yes. Okay, you can actually change to base 3. Can. Okay, so basically this one maintain because base 3, and then this one you change. Okay, log 3b over log 39. This is how you change base. So guys, what is this value? Apa nilai ni? Log 39. How much you get? This one you can direct tell the answer. Kalau kamu faham semua hukum log, kamu boleh bagi tahu jawapan. So how much is your log 39? Yes. Okay, yes is 3 square. Log 3 square base 3. Yes. So what's the value? Apa nilai akhir dia? Yes. Okay, the answer will be 2 lah for this one. Okay, because log 3, 3 square. The square you can bring in front. Kuasa dalam log boleh pindah ke depan. So you get 2. Log 3 is 1. So that's why 2 times 1, you have 2. Okay, so that means if you're very pro already, kalau kamu dah mahir log, you no need to write the working step one by one. You no need to write like this, and then you write this. Biasanya orang akan buat macam ni kan, satu persatu. Kalau tak mahir lagi. This is the complete step. Langkah penuh. But if you guys very pro, from this one, you can direct write this answer. Do you understand me? Log 39, the second step, baris kedua, you direct write 2 for that one. No need to show all this. Tak perlu tunjuk semua ni. Okay, because it doesn't earn you any marks. Dia tak bawa apa-apa markah. Okay? Only this step will earn you marks. When you change the base, tukar asas, kamu akan dapat 1 markah, 1 mark. Okay? Alright. So now, basically, you have 2 at the bottom. So guys, it's something like this. So now, you can combine the 2 fraction. Kamu boleh samakan. Okay, so when you combine, you will have 2 log 3a minus log 3b equal to 4. Okay, the 2 I bring to the other side. 2 kali 2. Okay, that's why I have 4 on the right hand side. Alright? Okay, so now, these 2 guys, what can I do? 2 kat depan, apa saya boleh buat? Usually, think and see. The 2 in front, what can I do for that one? Kamu boleh buat apa? Whenever you have a log, yes. Okay, you shift it on top. Okay, you make it become a power. Correct. Okay, so a square minus log 3b equal to 4. Okay, now, so when 2 log minus 2 log dia tolak, so what will happen in log according to the rule? Yes, kamu akan bahagi. So now you're very close to the answer already. Okay, you can see it already now. Okay, so now you just need to convert log form to index form. Tukar bentuk log ke bentuk index. So 3 power 4 equal to a square over b. Okay, then read back the question. They want you b in term of a. B dalam sebutan a. So the answer is b equal to a square over 81. Okay, 3 power 4. The answer is 81. Settle. Do you all understand how to solve the question? Boleh kan? Terutamanya orang yang tak suka log lah. A lot of people don't like log. So some people might still find it hard, but actually it's easy lah. Dia senang saja. Okay, only 2 marks, 2 markah. Okay, alright. So now we come to 4B. So 4B is on indices. Okay, this one is easy, not hard. Okay, so indices, guys, what is your first step? Whenever you see indices, what must you do? You guys, you notice something, indices and log, the concept is the same. You will notice something. Yes, you must actually change the base, become the same also. Log also, you change the base so that it become the same. Dua-dua soalan ni kamu kena tukar jadi asal sama. Yang ni log, yang ni index. So guys, log and index, they actually use the same concept one. Mereka guna pakai konsep sama. Alright, so always the first step is change the base, become the same. Okay, so guys, I want to change to what base here? May I know? Saya nak tukar jadi asas apa? Yes. Okay, you change to base 3 lah. Tukar ke asas 3. Okay, so very simple. So you have 3 power m minus 1. 9 is 3 square. 3 square m. And then divide. Divide 3 power 3. 27 adalah 3 kuasa 3. Okay, so you have something like this. Then you just simplify lah. Okay, this is like modern maths question lah. Very easy. Sangat senang. Okay, so you will get like this. Okay, guys, when divide, what happened in indices? Kalau bahagi, kuasa jadi apa? What happened to your power? What must you do? Yes. Okay, just minus the power lah. Okay, so you will already get your answer. Okay, so answer is 3 power m minus 1. Settle. Okay, if you want to simplify some more also can. You can write as 3 power m over 3. Like this also can. Jawapan dia. Okay, so final answer, you will get this. Okay, so can you see, guys? The first mark, you will always get when you show your indices rule. Bila kamu tunjuk hukum index dalam jalan kira kamu. Okay, example is this one lah. This is your indices rule. Am I right? And then what else? This one. This one also is your indices rule. Hukum index. So whenever you show the rule, you will get 1 mark. Okay? Are you clear, guys? Question 4. Soalan 4 boleh? Everyone understand? So we go on. If no question, I just proceed only. Okay. So now we come question 5. Soalan kelima. Okay. So for question 5, we are talking on progression. Janjang. Okay. So this question is about showing. Tunjukkan. Okay. So they want you to show that sum of first 6 term is 28 times the sum of the first 3 term. Okay. So guys, sum of first 6 term. Hasil tambah 6 sebutan pertama. Apa simbol dia, guys? What is the symbol you can write? Sum of first 6 term. So what is your symbol? Yes, you must find S6. Okay, and then sum of first 3 term. Hasil tambah 3 sebutan pertama. This one is S3 lah. Okay, S3. Okay, so equal to 28 times S3. 28 kali. So this is your equation. Yes, correct. Adam, kena sama dengan bukan tambah. Okay, sebab dia kata adalah is. Is mean equal in maths. Okay? Yes. Okay, so now they tell the 5th term is 9 times the 3rd term. Okay, sebutan kelima adalah 3 kali sebutan ke-3. Okay, so you can write T5 equal to 9. T3. Can? So this is your 2 information. So now guys, what must you find first? Kamu kena cari nilai apa dulu dalam soalan ni? Can anyone tell me? What is the symbol you need to find? Is it the A, N, R? Apa kena cari dulu? Yes, very good. Okay, you must find the R value first. So guys, you can use this equation to find your R value. Cari nilai R. Okay, so you will get AR power 4 equal to 9 AR square. So A and A boleh potong. I'm using this formula guys. Saya tengah guna rumus yang ni. Okay, because they say geometric progression. Janjang geometry. Okay, so this is how I get the AR power 4 and AR square. Okay, so then you cancel the R also. So you get R square equal to 9. So guys, R can equal to positive, negative 3. Am I right? But guys, do I accept both values? Adakah saya terima dua-dua nilai R? Positive dan negatif? Yes or no? Okay, no. So which value do I accept? Nilai mana saya kena terima? 3 atau negatif 3? Yes. Okay, because the question already say R is greater than 0. Means R is a positive value. R kena nilai positif. Okay? Yes. Very good. Okay, so now you can start with this equation. Okay? Oh, betul ke? Guys, really I teach so well. Betul ke saya ajar sangat bagus? Only how many minutes? I only teach half an hour. 30 minit saja. Kamu dah kata bagus. Wow, terharu saya. Bukan nak masuk setengah lesson pun. Tak masuk setengah pun lagi. Okay, so S6 equal 28 S3. So you must use the formula lah. Kamu kena guna rumus. So guys, Sn for geometry progression. Okay, you guys know the formula, right? Janjang geometry. So your answer is Sn equal to A R power n minus 1 over R minus 1. Okay guys, may I know why I use R minus 1? Why cannot use 1 minus R? Kenapa tak boleh guna yang ni? Can anyone tell me? Based on what value? Kenapa tak boleh guna nilai ni? Yes, based on the R value. Correct. Okay, because R is greater than 0. Okay, nilai R saya lebih besar dari kosong. Okay, that's why I cannot use 1 minus R. When R minus 1, hanya boleh guna for R lebih besar dari kosong. Okay, kalau 1 minus R, R lebih kecil dari kosong. Okay, do you guys get it? Can So make sure you guys choose the right formula. Okay, pilih rumus betul. Alright. Okay, so now you can start to use the equation. Okay, so S6, you can find S6 first. Okay, kamu cari secara berasingan lah. Okay, so A 3 power 6 minus 1 over 3 minus 1. Okay, I just sub all the value only. Gantikan saja. Okay, and then A 3 power 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 1. Okay, clear right? Boleh kan? Okay, so now you simplify lah. Kamu permudahkan saja. Okay, so now if you simplify this one, you will get tekan calculator. Okay, so 3 power 6 minus 1 over 2. So you get 364A. Okay, this is the answer. And then this one, you press calculator. Okay, you will get 13A. So guys, what is the difference? Apa perbezaan dia? You guys just need to find lah. Okay, you find S6 over S3. Yes. Okay, so it's equal to 364A bahagi 13A. So now you press calculator. So 364 bahagi 13. You guys get 28. Am I right? So kamu dah buktikan lah. S6 equal to 28 S3. Okay? Are you clear guys? How to show this question? Boleh faham cara nak tunjukkan yang ni? Are you clear? Kenapa kena bahagi? Sebab saya nak dapat jawapan ni yang akhir. That's why saya buat langkah ni. Boleh faham tak? Sebab saya nak tunjukkan yang biru tu kat akhir. Okay, that's why I need to show the ratio. saya kena tunjukkan nisbah S6 kepada S3. I show the ratio of S6 to S3. Then I can get my final answer. Okay? Alright. So this is how you can do in the exam. Okay, 4 marks. 4 markah. Okay, so you can see where you can score the mark. Okay, so when you use formula, usually you guys will get 1 mark lah. Bila tunjuk rumus ada 1 markah. And then this one also, both of these is formula. Okay, so 2 marks. And then when you get the correct R value, also 1 mark. Kalau kamu dapat nisbah sepunya betul. And then of course, your final answer, also 1 mark. Okay, are you clear? Okay, so if clear, we go on soalan ke-6. Okay, so for this question, this one is on linear law. Okay, hukum linear. Okay, so for this question, they ask you to find H and K. Okay, kamu kena cari H and K. So this is the equation, and then, okay, so this is the first information. Lengkung melalui 41. The curve pass through 41. So guys, whenever you see a coordinate, what can you do in NMATS? Bila kamu nampak coordinate saja, apa langkah kamu? First step, kamu akan buat apa? Yes, always remember when you see coordinate, just sub it inside the equation. Correct. Okay, gantikan nilai dia sahaja. So x is 4, y is 1. Okay, so you get the first equation. Okay, you will get 1 equal to 4h over 4k plus 3. Okay, so you will get 4h equal to 4k plus 3. Okay, ini adalah persamaan pertama. First equation. Okay, second equation. So why do we need to have 2 equation? Kenapa kena ada 2? Because we have 2 unknown. Okay, kita ada 2 pemboleh ubah tidak diketahui. So whenever you have 2 unknown, you must solve using simultaneous. Guna kaedah persamaan serentak. Okay, so next information, gradient 4 over 5. 1 over y against 1 over x. Okay, so this one is linear law lah. Kamu kena tukar persamaan lengkung ke persamaan linear. Okay, convert your curve or non-linear equation to linear. Okay, so how to convert? You follow the axis. Okay, ikut paksi yang dia nak plot. Okay, so you want 1 over y. So 1 over y equal to kx plus 3 over hx. So 1 over y equal to k over h plus 3 over hx. Okay, so guys, may I know what is my gradient here? Apa nilai kecerunan saya? Anyone? Berdasarkan persamaan ni, based on this equation. Yes, very good. Okay, the gradient value is 3 over h. Okay, correct. So 3 over h equal to 4 over 5. Okay, sebab kecerunan sudah diberi 4 over 5. Okay, so you can start to solve 3 over h equal to 4 over 5. So you get h equal to 15 over 4. Then substitute this inside this equation. Okay, gantikan kat h. Okay, so then you will get the answer D. So this is your final answer. H equal to 15 over 4, K equal to 3. Senang kan guys? NMATS. Siapa kata NMATS susah guys? Who tell NMATS so hard? NMATS very easy lah guys. As long as you understand NMATS, NMATS sangat senang je. Kamu je yang bagi dia susah. That's all. Okay, it's just you guys think very hard. That's why it come hard. Actually, if you think it's easy, it's very easy. Sangat senang je. Okay, can score 1. Paper 1 pun boleh score betul-betul. Paper 2 pun boleh score betul-betul. As long you guys practice. Buat banyak latihan. Macam ni. Okay, alright. So question 7. Some more your favorite. Lagi kamu suka yang ni. Okay, you want to solve the linear equation. So guys, how many method we have to solve system of equation? Berapa kaedah? Generally, at maths. Yes. Okay, so you can use substitution or elimination. Okay, gunakan penggantian or penghapusan. Okay, so over here, let me see. You can use substitution lah. Boleh guna penggantian. Oh, guys, don't worry, no need to screenshot. Siapa nak material ni saya boleh share dengan jawapan dia. Nanti saya bagi nombor saya kat akhir sesi. Okay, kamu boleh request kat saya. Okay, if anyone wants the material, you guys just ask lah later. Ingatkan saya pada akhir sesi. Cikgu macam mana tahu kalau equations tu guna ganti atau hapus? Kamu takkan tahu. Dia bergantung kepada mana cara yang kamu suka nak guna lah. Sebab memang dua-dua pun boleh untuk yang ni. Cuma mungkin satu lebih senang, satu lebih susah. Gabung. Gabung maksudkan apa? Kamu gabung teknik ataupun kamu gabung persamaan. Saya ingat kamu nak gabung persamaan kan? Oh, gabung teknik Macam mana ni? Janganlah. Guys, don't complicate things. Jangan bagi kaedah tu susah. Guna satu kaedah saja. Jangan gabung. Okay, don't combine any technique. Okay, if you use penggantian, stick saja penggantian. Guna penghapusan, stick saja penghapusan. Jangan tiba-tiba penghapusan, lepas tu penggantian. Ataupun penggantian, tiba-tiba penghapusan. Okay, don't. Alright? Okay, so over here, I think I will choose penggantian lah, substitution. Okay, so I will start with this. So x equal to 120 minus y minus z. So I will substitute this inside second and third equation. Saya nak ganti ni kat 2 dan 3. If you want to express y in term of x and z, or z in term of x and y, dua-dua pun boleh. Ada 3 kaedah kat sini. So I pilih x in term of y and z. Okay? So you just substitute lah, gantikan saja. Okay, I don't think I need to show the step, right guys? Saya tak perlu tunjuk langkah kan? Yang ni sangat senang lah. Okay, very simple. Okay, as long you guys can get the final answer correct, no matter what method you use, your answer is still correct. Okay, kamu boleh guna berbagai-bagai kaedah. As long you get these 3 answer, dapat saja 3 jawapan ni. Okay, any problem guys? So this is my approach lah. Ini cara saya tackle soalan ni. So langkah dia kat tengah-tengah, saya rasa kamu boleh buat lah. Okay, algebra biasa saja. Okay, can Boleh? Can I go on to question 8? Boleh pergi lagi ya guys? Okay tak? Okay Alright. So question 8. Okay, so question 8 is coordinate geometry. Okay. So guys, okay, this question hard. Soalan ni susah. Okay, why? Because you need to prove this formula. Kamu kena buktikan rumus ni guys. So get ready lah. So anyone know how to prove this formula? Siapa tahu macam mana nak buktikan rumus ni? Anyone? Do you know? Nampak susah kan? Look very hard, right? Formula segitiga. Bukan guys. Guys, the question is to prove, you know. You cannot use the kaedah tali kasut. Tali kasut untuk selesaikan, cari luas. Tapi soalan ni suruh buktikan luas. You need to prove the formula, not use the formula to solve. Two different thing Buktikan dan selesaikan guna formula adalah 2 benda berbeza. Okay? Walaupun dia pakai rumus sama. Okay? Formula segitiga. Okay, the concept is basically kamu kena modify raja ni. Okay, fokus sebab yang ni memang kamu kena tahu. Kalau kamu tak hafal cara nak buat, kamu pasti tak boleh buktikan. Okay, you cannot prove. Okay, so you must always focus on the diagram. Macam mana saya buat. Okay, so first step, basically, kamu kena modify lah raja macam ni. Okay, just form a few triangle from the diagram. Okay, kamu bentukkan segitiga. So guys, let's say I just give some label lah. Okay, let's say G and H. Kamu boleh bagi apa-apa kamu suka. Anything you like. Okay, so now, can anyone tell me what is this length? Apa panjang yang ni? Can anyone give me the answer? Okay, of course, coordinate G is x3, y1. Betul? Okay, sebab dia adalah garis lurus, straight line. So, x coordinate maintain, y coordinate, y1. Okay, so apa jarak yang ni? What will you get? Can anyone tell? Cuba bagi tahu saya. What's the answer? x1 plus x2. Macam mana kamu dapat x2, Ahmad? G ni x3. Yes. Okay, x3 minus x1. Am I right? This is the length. Okay? x3 minus x1. Correct. Okay, what is... Wait, not this one. this one, what is this length? Apa panjang yang ni pula? How much? Ketinggian segitiga tu. Okay, this one is y3. Yes. Okay, y3 minus y1. Okay, all of these are right angle triangle lah, guys. Semua segitiga sudut tegak. So whenever I tell right angle triangle, you must think of this formula. Kamu boleh guna rumus ni. Setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. Okay, half times base times height. Okay, so for triangle DFG, you can find the area. Kamu boleh cari. And then triangle DEH. Okay, what is this value? Apa nilai yang ni? Okay, so coordinate H, x2, y1. So can anyone tell? Apa panjang EH? So this is how you interpret, guys, the question. Ini cara kamu analisis. So anyone? EH, what do you get? Come on. What is your EH length? Ada siapa-siapa tahu? Konsep sama saja, guys. Macam kamu bagi tahu tadi. Yes. Yes. Y2 minus Y1 guys. Okay, because sekarang kita bincang pasal tinggi. The height is always Y. X2 adalah panjang ataupun tapak, the base. Okay. So, what else? Okay, apa panjang yang ni? This one. Okay, never mind. I use different color. Kalau tak, kamu semua confused. Okay, this one. Yang merah. What is the length? Anyone? Apa panjang dia? GH. Yes. Okay, X2 minus X3. Okay, guys. So we already find all the length. Kita dah cari semua panjang. So guys, now you must find the area of which triangle. May I know? Kamu kena cari luas segitiga apa? DEF. Betul? So macam mana kamu dapat luas DEF dari wajah ni? Siapa boleh type persamaan bagi saya? Try to give the equation. The area of DEF equal to what? Sama dengan apa? Jangan bagi tahu rumus ni guys. Don't tell me this formula. This one you cannot direct give the answer. Kamu tak boleh teruskan tulis macam tu. Okay, you have to go through some process. Okay? So anyone? DEF equal to what? Based on the diagram. Apa, tambah apa, tolak apa, macam tu lah. Saya maksudkan. You must tell the answer like that. So think and see. Cuba fikir. When you guys think, then only you will remember for SPM. Kamu kena fikir. Kalau saya bagi tahu kamu terus idea tu, kamu takkan fikir punya. And then kamu takkan ingat. Trapezium plus segitiga minus segitiga besar. Yes, that is the idea. Very good, guys. Very good, Means you guys got study on this. Correct. Wait. Samantha, your last one wrong, Yes. Okay, correct, Adi. Very good. Okay. So basically, you guys just need to take triangle and then plus with trapezium. Okay. Yang hitam tambah hijau and then minus the triangle over here. Can you see, guys? Boleh nampak konsep dia? Now you already get the DEF. Betul? So DGF tambah EFGH minus DEH. Okay? Can? Are you guys clear? So basically, you guys just use the formula lah. For trapezium, half A plus B times H. Ini rumus for trapezium. Okay, so when you do the formula, you will get something like this. Okay, so ini adalah rumus dia. Okay, so can you see? You just write down the formula. Okay, over here, very complex, right? Dia nampak sama complex kan? So you need to expand one by one lah, guys. Tak ada cara lain. Kamu kena kembangkan semua ni satu persatu. So basically, you guys just use your quadratic lah. Buat pengembangan kuadratik saja. One by one. Okay, macam ni. Just use the pattern. Okay? Are you guys clear? So finally, you will get this answer lah. kamu akan dapat jawapan macam ni. Okay? Kenapa kena tolak DH? Sebab, okay, kamu nampak yang ni. Kamu nak cari yang ni kan, biru punya. Betul? Okay, so macam mana dapat biru punya? Okay, kamu kena ambil yang ni, tambah yang ni, trapezium. Tolak apa? Tolak segitiga kan? Kat bawah ni. DEH. Boleh nampak tak? Then kamu akan dapat yang ni. DEF. Okay? Boleh faham, Omar? So basically dia macam konsep total minus yang bakilah untuk dapat yang merah punya. So saya tak faham kenapa X3 tolak X1. X3 tolak X1. Wait X3 sebab, okay Ahmad, common sense, logik saja. Let's say saya ada satu garis nombor 1, 2, 3, 4. Macam mana saya cari jarak ni Ahmad? Boleh saya tahu? Jangan bagi tahu jawapan terus. Bagi saya langkah kerja. Macam mana kamu cari? What is your working guys? To find the distance of 1 and 4. Yes, 4 minus 1. Kamu bagi tahu kan? 4 tolak 1. Samalah. Macam ni. X3 ni nilai lebih besar. Sebab dia ke kanan daripada X1. So X3 minus X1. Jangan confuse kalau kamu nampak huruf X. Dia nombor saja. Macam 4 tolak 1. Just over here, they give you as variable. Boleh ubah saja semua yang ni. Okay? So, kamu akan dapat jawapan lah akhirnya. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay? Are you clear guys? Okay, satu soalan kat sini. Kenapa ada simbol modulus kat sini? Siapa boleh terangkan? Why do we need to add modulus symbol for this question? What is the function? Apa fungsi modulus tu? Anyone? Think and see. Yes, very good lah guys. Area is always positive. Correct. Luas hanya boleh nilai positif. Tak boleh negatif. Correct. Okay, so that is your answer lah. Itu jawapan kamu. Okay? Clear guys? Okay, so now, question B. So question B, you need to find the area of this triangle. So you guys just need to use the formula. Okay, guna rumus yang ni saja. Okay, so you can see how to solve. Okay, so basically is the shoelace method. Okay, kaedah ikat kasut. But over here, right, you no need to do the long step. Tak perlu buat kaedah ikat kasut. Kenapa? Because you already have the formula here. So you guys just need to label your coordinate. Label macam ni. And then just sub. Okay, gantikan semua ni dalam rumus saja. Okay, just sub in the formula. Do you understand? So no need to show step by step. Tak perlu tunjuk semua langkah. Okay, terus kepada jawapan. Direct to the answer. Okay, do you guys understand? Are you clear? For question 8 guys, boleh dapat? Can Soalan 8 boleh ya? Okay, if no problem, we go question 9 Soalan ke-9. Okay, so question 9. Okay, so we are talking on quadratic. Okay, fungsi quadratic. So they want you to find the limit, okay, of fx. Kamu nak cari had yang ni. Okay. Okay, so can anyone tell the answer? A1. Kamu kena cari had x kepada kosong bagi fx. So anyone? What do you think is the answer? Limit x go to 0 for fx. Senang. Very simple. So what is the answer? Anyone? Hello? Apa jawapan dia guys? Come on. They ask you this one. Limit x go to 0 equal to what? Yes. Confident in your answer guys. Okay, no need to put question mark Samantha. Correct. Okay, be confident in your answer. Okay. Whenever you type an answer like 7 and 7 question mark, right? I got see one difference already. Although the answer same, right? But the difference is confidence, keyakinan. One person just type 7. One person type 7 question mark. Question mark show a big difference compared to a person who just type 7. So must be confident in your answer. Okay? So how to get 7? So basically you just sub x equal to 0 inside your equation. Press calculator. So that's why answer 7 lah. Jawapan dia 7. Okay? Alright. So next one. Question A2. They say lim x go to A. Fx equal to -5. Okay, so you guys just need to let fx equal to -5. So x squared minus 8x plus 7 equal to -5. Okay, over here, your x is equal to A. Okay, x sama dengan A. Alright, so something like this, macam ni. And then rearrange in quadratic, susun dalam persamaan kuadratik. And then factorize, faktorkan saja. So you will have A 6, 2, negative, negative, and then A equal to 2, A equal to 6. Okay, do you understand? So this is the answer for question A2. Boleh faham guys? Soalan A1 dan A2. Are you okay with it? Okay, huh? Alright. Okay, important lah guys. Yang ni Form 5 Chapter 2. Pembezaan. Differentiation. Okay? This one guys. Listen up. Dengar betul-betul guys. Kamu kena tahu macam mana nak buat prinsip pertama. You must know how to do first principle. Okay? Differentiation like to ask one. Okay? Pembezaan suka tanya yang ni. Okay? So do you all know how to do first principle? Yes or no? Kamu semua tahu tak macam mana buat pembezaan peringkat pertama? Chain rule. Not the same. Dia tak sama. Guys, chain rule and first principle is two different things. You must understand that. First principle, yes, correct. The step is the y plus delta y. Betul. You will always have delta in first principle. Okay, you must remember that. Kamu kena ingat yang tu. Alright? Okay, so now, you have your function already. Kamu ada fungsi. So basically, right, guys, you can do a trick. You guys just try to differentiate it normally. Bezakan macam biasa saja. Your answer is 2x minus 8. Am I right? Kalau kamu bezakan guna kaedah biasa, 2x minus 8. So when you do first principle, you can check your answer. Kamu boleh check sama ada jawapan betul ke tak. So first step, first principle. Can anyone tell what is your first step? Okay, I think just now people got tell right, is the y plus delta y. Okay, so basically first step is you must add delta y. Delta y represent the small changes in y. Perubahan kecil. Okay, so if you add delta y on left hand side, right hand side also must add delta x. Correct. Okay, so you guys just add delta x like this. Okay, so you can start to expand. Okay, kamu kena kembangkan. Okay, so it's something like this. X plus delta x plus 7. Okay? Yes, correct. Okay, so now you can expand the left hand side. Kembangkan macam biasa. 2x delta x plus delta x square minus 8x minus 8 delta x plus 7. Okay, boleh? Boleh faham pengembangan? Saya rasa okay dah. Kalau algebra kamu strong, senang saja. Okay? Alright. So now, what is the method now guys? Kamu kena buat apa sekarang? Kaedah kedua. Second step. What must I do now? Yes, you use the elimination method. Kaedah penghapusan. Okay, so y equal to x squared minus 8x plus 7. Okay, so you can start to eliminate. Hapuskan. Okay, so y and y cut. And then what else? Plus 7 cut. Minus 8x cut. Potong semua yang ni. And then x square also cut. So guys, you left with what? Kamu tinggal apa sekarang? Okay, so delta y equal to 2x delta x plus delta x square minus 8 delta x. Okay, now, what is the next step? Langkah seterusnya. Kena buat apa? After this, selepas penghapusan. Very good. So you must divide delta x. Yes. Okay, so if you divide delta x, you will get 2x plus delta x and then minus 8. Okay? Boleh faham? So now, what is the next step? Apa langkah selepas ni? Nak habis dah. Going to end already. So what is the next step? Kamu kena buat satu anggapan kat sini. You must do an assumption. Yes. Okay, basically you can write the limit. Okay, hard. Lim delta x. Dia akan menghampiri kosong. Okay, it will approach 0. So you will write dy over dx equal to 2x minus 8 lah. Okay, because this one is 0. Kosong. Do we get the answer, guys? Kita dapat jawapan ke tak? Sama tak? Yes. Sama lah. So, betul lah kaedah kamu. Do you guys understand how to do first principle? Remember the step, kena ingat semua langkah. How to do. Every single question same only. Semua soalan sama. Just remember the step. Okay? Alright. So your first principle got total 3 marks. 3 markah. Okay, so when you eliminate penghapusan, 1 mark. And then you substitute delta x. Menghampiri kosong, another mark. And then final answer, 1 more mark. Okay, so total 3 marks. Okay, so we done with question 9 already. Dah habis. Okay, so now we are coming to your favorite topic, guys. Kamu semua suka kan bab ni? What is this chapter, guys? Semua orang bila nampak soalan ni terus stress. Am I right? You guys don't like this chapter a lot. Form 5, chapter 4, guys. Pilih atau dan gabungan. Okay, this one confirm they will ask one question in paper 1. Kertas 1 dia pasti keluar bab ni. So you guys must know how to do. Okay? Alright. So for this question, if you see the question, cuba nampak soalan. Permutation or combination? This question. Tell me. P or C? Senang. Pilih atau gabungan. Soalan ni. That's the first step. Identify whether it's permutation or combination. P or C. Okay, sama-sama. Lagi orang? Come on. Permutation or combination. Okay. Guys, you really sure with your answer? Kamu semua yakin ke jawapan dia permutation? Are you sure? Bila saya tanya macam ni, semua orang takut dah. A lot of you scared already. Are you sure it's permutation, guys? Now got people say combination. The question is it permutation or combination? Not sure. Guys, if you're not sure, then how to solve the question lah? Macam mana nak selesaikan? You must be confident. Okay, the answer is, jawapan dia adalah gabungan, combination. Okay, remember, this question is C. Okay, so why C? Kenapa dia adalah gabungan? Look at this, guys. Number of ways, bilangan cara. Okay, you look at the question. Is the arrangement important? Adakah susunan dia penting? If you see the question, they say 3 cars are used. And then what else? When? At least 1 car. No, right? Okay, the order is not important. Susunan dia tak penting soalan ni. So that's why the answer is combination, gabungan. Okay? Are you clear, guys? Can, Okay. So we see the first question. So first question say 3 cars. So you got 12. This is your total jumlah. And then 4 passenger car. And then van 7 passenger. Okay. So this is the breakdown. And then let me see. So they say van fill first, followed by car. Okay, van akan diisi dulu, lepas tu kereta. Okay, maybe some of you see this, so you guys think permutation. Is it? Kamu semua nampak statement ni. Lepas tu kata dia adalah pilih atau. Betul tak? Okay, because you think that this one is order, right? Yang ni adalah apa? Ada urutan. There is order. Because they say the van must be filled first, then only the car. But no, bukan. Okay, doesn't mean if they say the van fill first, means that this is permutation. Okay, you must see the whole situation. Nampak seluruh soalan, baru kamu decide. Jangan lihat satu ayat sahaja dan kamu decide. Permutation or combination. Okay, you have to read the whole question. Okay, alright. So now, they say 3 cars, 3 kereta. So guys, total you have 12. And now they say 3 cars. So may I know, what is the first term? Apa yang kamu akan tulis dulu? Think and see. What should I write first? They say 3 cars. So means that you start with 12, right? Kamu akan mula dengan 12 orang. So 12, see how many? Berapa nilai kat bawah? Now we are talking about car, kereta. So C berapa? Anyone? What will be your answer? No, guys, careful Your value of N and R represent your number of people, bilangan orang, N dan R, bukan bilangan kereta. Okay? Yes. Okay, can you see here guys? 4 passenger car. Okay? Untuk kereta dia boleh muatkan 4 penumpang. So that's why the value here is 4. And then you continue. Pergi lagi. This is the first car. Kereta pertama. Okay, number 1. And then the second one, bukan. Guys, 12 people total. Kamu dah ambil 4. You already choose 4. So, baki berapa? How much you left? 8, right? So 8C4. Again, because you can fill up 4. Baki, 8 kan? 12 tolak 4. Okay? Sebab semua dah isi. All the 4 you already fill up from the 12. So 12 minus 4. Yes. Okay, times 4C4. Boleh tak guys? Do you see the order? 12 minus 4, 8. Then you choose 4 again. Pilih 4 lagi. 8 minus 4, 4. So 4C4. Sebab setiap kereta dia boleh muatkan 4 orang. 4 passenger. Okay? So you guys just press calculator lah. Tekan calculator, so you will get the answer 34650. Okay, honestly, who don't like this topic? Secara jujur, kamu komen. Walau sebanyak mana pun latihan kamu cuba, masih tak faham. Kamu cuba banyak latihan dah. You guys try a lot of exercise, but still don't like. Okay, got lah. A lot of people also. I think majority, right? Seems easy, but I never learn about this chapter. Must learn. This one definitely will come out. Setiap soalan trial, kamu akan nampak satu soalan untuk yang ni. At least one question. Okay, so you must know. Alright, so just try lah. Okay, kamu kena paksa minda lah untuk bayangkan situasi dia. Okay, try to imagine the situation to the best that you can. Okay, then maybe you might at least get 1 mark. But better than 0, right? Lebih bagus dari kamu tak jawab soalan. Okay, so now the second question. They say a van and at least 1 car is used. So now how? Macam mana sekarang? They say 1 van and at least 1 car. So if at least 1 car means how many car guys? Kalau sekurang-kurangnya sebuah kereta. So it can be greater than or equal to 1. Okay, lebih besar atau sama dengan 1. Okay, so you can try first lah. Okay, so first one, of course, we are going to start with 12 passenger, 12. Okay, so 12, see how many? We want to start with the van. Can you see guys? The question say the van must be filled first. Van ni kena isi dulu. Yes, so you must start with 7. Okay, because the van can accommodate 7 passenger. 7 orang untuk van. Okay? Alright. So next, you go for the car. So now you left with 5. Tinggal 5, choose 4 lah. Because 1 car, 4 passenger. 4 orang. So then, 1C1. Guys, 1C4 tak boleh 1C1 only can. Guys, NCR. N kena lebih besar atau sama dengan R. Make sure you guys remember this. N must be greater than or equal to R. This is the condition. NPR also the same. Dua-dua ni sama. Okay? So take note. So that's why you have 1C1. Okay? So this will be your answer. So you guys just press calculator. So answer is 3960. Okay? Boleh? Actually 1C1 the value is 1. Am I right? So actually it's the same answer, but you must understand the situation here is you want to fill up all the passenger. Am I right? So if you don't write this, means basically you only fill up 11 passenger. Is that correct in terms of the question? No, right? Because you need to fill up all the 12 passenger. Kamu kena guna ke semua orang. So kalau kamu tulis macam ni sahaja, maksudnya kamu tak lengkap jalan kira kamu. Your working is not complete. So most likely you won't get this mark. Kamu takkan dapat markah ni. So always in admits, if you don't get your working mark, final answer mark, although correct, is still wrong. Kalau jalan kira kosong, markah akhir kosong. Itu saja. Walaupun jawapan betul, although your answer correct. So make sure the working step in admits is the most important, not the final answer. Jalan kira itulah yang paling penting, bukan jawapan akhir dalam admits. That's why working is better to show very detailed. Tunjuk jalan kira tu sebanyak mungkin, so that you guys can score all the mark. Okay? Alright. So now, okay, so this one very interesting. Soalan ni sebenarnya soalan SPM tau. Have you guys seen this kind of question? This actually is SPM 2022, if not mistaken, NMATS. Tapi dia masuk salah sebuah negeri punya trial. Okay, came out in a trial question. They clone the question. Mereka clone soalan ni dari SPM and put it in the trial. Okay, so now, this one, password, kata laluan, permutation or combination? Yes, but they change a bit. Mereka tukar sedikit saja. So anyone? This one permutation or combination? Yes. Always when you talk about password, kata laluan is permutation. Pilih atau. Why? Because the order is important. Okay, cara susunan nombor tu kena penting lah. Kalau dia adalah kata laluan. Betul? Kalau tak, mana-mana orang pun boleh hack. Am I right? If order is not important, guys, in your phone got pin, right? If order not important, what will happen, guys? Apa akan jadi? Semua orang punya phone akan kena hack lah. Kalau susunan nombor tu tak penting. Betul kan? Means anyone can just put any 4 number, 4 digit pin. Letaklah macam mana pun. As long as you get the 4 number correctly, 4 nombor betul dah, tak kira macam mana disusun, kamu dapat masuk dah. Steal all the information, habislah orang tu. Gone already. So that is the importance of permutation. Pilih atau. The order is important. Susunan penting. Okay? So now, they say the first 3 characters is B8B. So guys, now we are talking about letter and also number. Okay? So guys, may I know how many letters we have in this universe? Berapa abjad kita ada, guys? Guys, dangerous question. Siapa salah kat sini, kamu balik tadika. Berapa abjad kita ada? A sampai Z. How many? Cepat, cepat. Saya tak mau kamu kira satu per satu. Okay, correct, 26. Not bad. General knowledge. 3. Wow. Who is this person, MM. MM. How you get 26? A, B, C only, is it? Oh, you only know 3 letter. Very good lah. Sangat bagus. Okay, remember, guys? 26. Okay. I thought really you wanted to say 3. I scared a D. Okay. But now, guys, letter we can have uppercase and lowercase. Am I right? Huruf besar, huruf kecil. So that's why we need to times 2. So total now we have 52. 52. How many numbers we have, guys? Berapa nombor kita ada di dunia ni? Kalau yang ni salah, jangan ambil admits. How many numbers, guys, we have in this world? This one very important. How many number? Berapa? Tell me. How many numbers we have? Guys, in the context of the question, boleh tak saya tulis infinity? Yes. Okay, the answer is 10, guys. 9 Oh, don't scare me lah. Guys, how can have 9 numbers? 0 is also a number. Kosong juga dikira. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many numbers here? 10 kan? 10, right? Jangan silap lah. Sangat kesian kalau kamu silap yang ni. Okay, very simple. Okay, so total 62. 62. Okay, so now you can start already. So you want 5 digit. 5 digit kan? Based on the question. So you start lah. You can draw out. Okay, let's say like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So mereka kata, this is the first 3. tiga aksara pertama. Tanpa ulangan, without repetition. Okay, so may I know how many possibility I have here for the fourth digit? Yang ni semua satu sajalah, just one. Okay, because the position is fixed. Tak boleh ubah. So the fourth digit, how many I have? Total is 62. Tadi saya kira. So anyone? What is the fourth digit? How many possibility? Anyone? Berapa cara saya ada untuk posisi yang keempat tu? Fourth position. How many? Anyone? Hello? Berapa saya ada? Guys, you don't answer me, I never know this chapter. As long as the chapter in your syllabus, you must know. Asalkan bab tu dalam syllabus kena tahu. You must know how to solve. 49P2. No. Guys, you must analyze one by one. Kamu kena analisis satu posisi, lepas tu satu posisi lagi. Tak boleh gabung dua-dua. You must go one by one. Then only correct. Okay? So the fourth one, what is the answer? Yang keempat. How many possible number and letter I have? Think and see, guys. Total 62. So how many I can have here? Berapa saya boleh ada? Yes, very good, Samantha. Finally, I got someone who understands this topic. Thank you. Okay, so this one is 59. Okay, why 59, guys? Do you all know why? 62 total. You already choose 3. Am I right? Kamu dah pilih 3. They say without repetition. Tak boleh ulang. So these 3 must minus lah. Kena tolak. Sebab tak boleh ulang. Cannot repeat. That's why 62 minus 3. 59. And then this one? How many? Last digit. How many ways I have? Yes, very good. 58. Okay, because cannot repeat. Tak boleh ulang. So that's all lah. This is your answer, guys. Habis. Okay, that's the answer. 59 times 58. T tu apa? T ya? T tu total. Sorry, guys. Total. Okay? Total is 62. Kat sini. Saya terangkan tadi. Okay? Alright. So now, question number 2. Soalan kedua. They say the first must be a non-vowel. Okay, yang pertama tu bukan vokal. And followed by at least 2 prime number. 2 nombor perdana. Okay, may I know how many non-vowel we have in this world? Berapa huruf konsonan kita ada? How many consonant in this world? This one, anyone wrong, you wait. Siapa salah, kamu tengok. Okay, very good. At least you're correct. Okay, the total consonant in this world is 21. 21. Why 21? Because 5 vowel, 5 vokal. So 26 total minus 5, 21. Okay? So now, they say capital letter, huruf besar. So you can only have 21. Cannot times 2. Tak boleh dapat 2. Because they say must be capital. Okay, now, prime number. How many prime number we have, guys? Berapa nombor perdana kita ada? Antara 10 nombor tu tadi, among the 10. You all count and see lah. How many prime number? Okay, let's see. Yes, correct. Okay, the answer is 4. 2, 3, 5, 7. All of these are prime number. Nombor perdana. So that's why the answer is 4. Okay, so now you can start already. Boleh mula. Okay, so again, 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they say first character non-vowel. So first character is 21 lah. 21 over here. Okay. And then followed by at least 2. Sekurang-kurangnya 2. So means that 4 and also 4. Okay guys, may I know why over here I never minus 1? Kenapa kat sini saya tak tolak 1? Can anyone tell me the reason? Why is it 4 and 4? I thought must be 4 minus 3. Very good. Can repeat, guys. Boleh ulang. Okay, because if the question never mention no repetition, means that you can repeat. Okay, kalau soalan kata tanpa pengulangan, maksudnya kamu boleh ulang lah. Itu maksud dia. Okay, asalkan kamu tak nampak perkataan ni, boleh ulang. Okay? So you must assume that you can repeat. Kamu kena anggap boleh ulang. Okay, so now, what are the two numbers here? May I know? Apa dua nombor terakhir? So the last two numbers, basically, there is no condition already. Tak ada apa-apa syarat. Okay, because they say two prime number only. Okay, dua nombor perdana. So what will be the number here? Can anyone tell? How much? Anyone? Think and see. Berapa nombor saya boleh letak kat situ? Dan berapa huruf juga? How many letter and how many number in total? Very good lah. 62 guys. Correct. Okay, and then the last one is also 62. Okay, because you can repeat. Kamu boleh ulang. Okay, because 62 is the total just now. Am I right? Total dia 62. That's why the last two digit 62 lah. Okay, so then you guys just press calculator, get the answer. Okay, are you clear guys with question 10? Boleh dapat soalan ke-10 ni? Dah habis dah. Okay, can Can we continue? Hopefully yes. Okay, so now we see question 11, soalan ke-11. Okay, so this one is talking about quadratic. Form 4. Kenapa tak guna rumus? Guys, untuk soalan ni ke? Guys, for permutation, you can actually use the formula. Sebenarnya yang ni adalah macam ni. Tapi dia tak tulis sajalah. Sebab nilai ni adalah 59. Nilai ni adalah 58. So direct lah. 59 kali 58. Sama untuk yang ni. 21 P1. Semuanya satu kat bawah. That's why dia tak tulis. Boleh faham tak? Macam ni. Okay guys. So if you want to write like this also can. Nak tulis macam ni pun boleh. Maksud sama saja. Okay. Why satu? Sebab kamu kena pilih satu nombor saja. Guys, berapa nombor kamu nak isi kat satu kedudukan? Satu sajalah. You can only fill one position with one number. Satu kedudukan, satu nombor. That's why P1 lah. Okay? So that's why nilai R1 lah. Always when you do permutation, right? Pilih atau biasanya nombor kat bawah tu P1. Kalau kamu fokus untuk satu kedudukan saja, one position, always is P1. Okay? Alright. So now, question 11. Okay, so for this one is quadratic. So, first question, kamu kena selesaikan for nilai X. Okay, so greater than 0. Okay, now, there is few method to solve. Ada banyak kaedah. Okay, you can use the graph method, you can use table method, or number line method. Okay, kamu boleh guna graph, jadual, ataupun garis nombor. Okay, so over here, I would like to use the graph method. Okay, so graph method, basically, this is a negative graph. Am I right? Graph dia macam ni. So now they say greater than 0. Lebih besar dari kosong. So kalau lebih besar dari kosong, saya kena lorek kat sini lah. So guys, my answer will be in this format. Can you understand? Jawapan saya sepatutnya macam ni. So now I need to find A and B. So just factorize lah. Tekan calculator saja. Okay, so you press -3, -1, 2. Okay, so answer is -1 and 2/3. So that's why jawapan saya adalah yang ni lah. Okay, this is my answer. Okay guys, do you understand? Basically, you guys just factorize this equation only lah. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, boleh? Okay, over here, they change to positive. Mereka tukar negatif jadi positif. So that's why my symbol change. Kalau kamu darab negatif to the whole equation, you must switch the sign. Kena tukar simbol. Originally lebih besar. Sekarang lebih kecil. Okay, sebab darab negatif. Okay, do you all understand 11A guys? Can you get it? Soalan 11A. Boleh kan? Senang kan? Understand? Okay, so now 11B. So 11B, they ask you to use completing the square. Okay, boleh, jangan risau. Okay, so mereka nak guna kaedah penyempurnaan kuasa 2. Okay, so basically, you guys must change this to vertex form. Am I right? Kamu kena tukar ke bentuk vertex. So guys, how to do CTS? Okay, so basically CTS is you must make your A value equal to 1. Okay, nilai A ni kena sama dengan 1. That is CTS. Okay, that's why I factorize out my negative 3. You take it out. Then you add B over 2 square minus B over 2 square. This is your second step. Langkah kedua over here. And then you combine. Okay, combine the first term and the third term. Okay, gabungkan sebutan pertama dan ketiga. So you get this one. And then you expand. Kembangkan negative 3 masuk dalam. So that's why you will get this answer over here. Okay, so may I know what is my maximum value, guys, based on this equation? Apa nilai maksimum saya? Cuba jawab. So you must know where is the maximum value in vertex form. So anyone? What's the answer? Maximum value. Nilai maximum. Yes. Okay, always we refer to the last value. Tengok nilai terakhir. Ini adalah nilai maximum. Maximum value. Okay, so that's why the answer is 25 over 12. Okay, easy right guys? Senang kan soalan kuadratik? Sangat cepat lah boleh buat. Okay, very fast. Okay, so now question C. So they say state alpha plus beta. Okay, kamu kena cari hasil tambah punca. Okay, so this is the equation. Okay, so you have to start first lah. Okay, so just substitute gx. Okay, so mx plus n and then minus gx. So you will have plus 3x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, so you will have 3x squared plus 1 plus mx plus n minus 2. Okay, this is your gx. Your final equation. Ini adalah persamaan akhir. So guys, may I know HTP, hasil tambah punca, what is the formula? SOR. Can anyone tell me? Equal to what? Anyone else want to try? What is your SOR formula? Yes, got negative guys. Akan ada simbol negative. Remember, must add negative sign 1. Okay, so it's negative 1 plus m over 3. This is your answer. Ini jawapan. Okay, for question C1. Okay, so this is the answer. All right. Okay, so now question C2. Okay, so for question C2, they ask you to find they ask you to express m in term of m. Kamu kena ungkapkan m dalam sebutan n. Okay, so you can use this equation over here. Okay, so now, may I know what is the HTP SOR for this equation? Can anyone tell me? Final answer, SOR. Anyone? SOR. Are you sure? Guys, remember your SOR formula got negative, you know. Okay, hasil tambah punca ada simbol negatif. Yes. Okay, negative B over A. So negative K. Alright. Okay, HDP, what is your POR? Answer. It's okay. Learn from the mistake. Yes. Okay, POR, basically this value lah. C over A. Hasil dari punca. So A equal to 1. So just nilai C sajalah. Okay. So basically you can form these two equations. Okay, because this one are your roots. Ini adalah punca. So now guys, if you realize you already have alpha plus beta tadi, first part, and they want you to express m in term of n. So basically kamu kena hapuskan pemboleh ubah apa guys kat sini. Mereka nak m dalam sebutan n. M in term of n. So which variable you must eliminate? Anyone? Kena hapuskan yang mana kat sini? Yes. Okay, you need to eliminate the k because question is m in term of n. Okay, can you all see it? So basically you can substitute this inside here. Kamu samakan pecahan lah. Okay, just combine the fraction. So you will get alpha plus beta on top. So alpha plus beta, substitute. this one. Okay, alpha beta you can also eliminate. Kamu boleh hapuskan alpha beta. Okay, why? Because you have left hand side alpha beta, right hand side also alpha beta. So first step, basically you express both equation alpha beta in term of K and M. Kamu ungkapkan alpha beta saja. Example, alpha beta equal to, you will get alpha plus beta over negative K, yang pertama. And then the second, alpha beta equal to, you will get 1 over K minus 14. So you just equalize. Samakan dua-dua yang ni. So you get new equation already. Alpha plus beta, you substitute with negative M minus 1 over 3. Okay guys, do you understand the process? Boleh nampak how you guys solve the equation? Are you clear? Can Boleh ya? Okay, so this is how you can get the answer. Ini cara dia. Okay, so finally when you solve, you will get this answer. So M is equal to 14N minus 26. Okay, boleh guys? Are you all okay? Yes or no? You also silent one. Okay, yeah. All right. So you will get this answer. Okay, just now your what alpha beta you got n minus 2, right? So you can actually substitute over here. So you can no need to write alpha beta. You write n minus 2. More simple. Okay. This one n minus 2 also based on just now. Okay, and then alpha plus beta you write negative m minus 1 over 3. So it's something like this. Dia macam ni. Okay. So you guys just need to solve simultaneous lah. These two equations to get m in term of n. So this will be your answer. Okay. Alright. So now we come to question 12 guys. Soalan yang ke-12. Soalan terakhir bahagian A. Okay. So for this question is about integration. Pengamilan. Okay. So anyone integration not good? Focus for this question. Okay. So this is the curve. And then got tangent. So guys, tangent gradient, what is the symbol? May I know? Apa fungsi untuk kecerunan tangent? What is the symbol you write? Yes, very good. So dy over dx equal to negative 2. Okay, so you guys just need to differentiate this equation. Bezakan. So negative 2x equal to negative 2. So x equal to 1. So now x equal 1, you will substitute in the curve equation, ganti kat persamaan lengkung. So y equal to 9 minus 1 square, answer 8. So that is coordinate P lah. So jawapan for coordinate P, 1, 8. That's all. Settle soalan A. Okay? Alright. So next one, shaded region. Kamu nak cari luas rantau berlorek. Okay, so how do we find shaded region? Okay, so basically, you can use the concept of triangle minus curve. Okay, guna segitiga tolak lengkung. Can you guys see it? So then you will get the shaded region. Okay, so basically this value is 1, this value is 8, and then what else? Okay, you must find the Q value. Kamu kena cari nilai Q. Wait, let me see. Okay, first step, you can find the x-intercept, okay, of this curve. Cari pintasan x. Okay, so 9 minus x square equals 0. So you will have x square is 9. So you will have 3 and negative 3. This is the value. Ini nilai dia untuk pintasan x. Okay, and then you have to find the q. Okay, so for q, let me see. Soalan ada bagi tahu. Okay, so PQ, the gradient is negative 2. So you can find out already. This is 1, 8. And then coordinate Q, x0. So you guys find the gradient. Cari kecerunan. 0 minus 8 over x minus 1 equal to negative 2. So if you solve, you should get x equal to 5 for this one. So kamu gantikan x sama dengan 5. So now you can start already lah, integration. Okay, so guys, over here, the triangle segitiga yang ni, perlu tak saya guna pengamilan untuk cari luas? Do I need to use integration formula to find the area for triangle? Yes or no? Yes, no need. Just use your basic formula, guys. Half times base times height. Lebih senang. So base is 4, height is 8, 8. So you already get the answer for area of triangle, 16. Okay? And then area under the curve, luas bawah lengkung. So the answer is integrate 1 to 3 y dx. Okay, so curve, the equation is 9 minus x square dx. Okay, then kamu buat sajalah pengambilan biasa. Okay, just normal integration minus both answer. Tolak dua jawapan. Then you will get the final answer. Okay, so final answer you should get 20 over 3. Okay, boleh? Senang kan? Very simple, right? Do you guys understand this one? No need to show the step by guys for this one. Yang ni kamu semua tahulah macam mana kamikan. Okay, so just normal. Okay, so now this question, they ask you to find the value of K. So they tell you the volume 16 pi. Okay, so for this one, you need to find the region first. So they say curve and straight line y equal to K. Lengkung dan garis lurus. Okay, so for y equal to K, basically you can draw anywhere lah. Okay, kamu lukis mana-mana saja yang kamu suka. Okay, because we don't know the value of K. Kita tak tahu nilai dia. So y equal to K and then lengkung. Okay, so this is the question. So they say y-axis, paksi y. So basically the region is this one lah. Okay, ini kawasan dia. Okay, so you're going to rotate, putarkan yang ni pada paksi y. Okay, and then they say it is 180 degrees, 180 darjah. Okay, so the formula is pi, and then integrate k. Wait, Sat. Okay, this value is 9, right? Yang ni 9. Oh, sorry. This is not the region. Yang ni, guys. Sorry. Okay, because when they say y equal to k, you must refer on top. Kamu kena lihat ke atas kawasan yang dibatasi. Okay, always refer to the top one. Okay, so basically it's this region. So this is k. Alright. So basically kamu integrate lah k until 9 x square dy. Okay, this is the formula. So x square, you refer to your equation. Okay, so y equal to 9 minus x square. So x square is equal to y. Wait, yeah, I think you will get y minus 9. Yeah, correct. Wait, 9 plus y. Sorry, 9 tambah y. Okay, so this is your answer. Y square ke x square? X square, Ahmad. Sebab kita sekarang tengah kamikan ke paksi y. Ingat, simbol yang ni kena bertentangan. Yang ni dengan yang ni. Kalau dy kena x square. Kalau dx kena y square untuk isi padu. Okay? Always remember guys, is opposite one. dy x square. dx y square. Follow the pattern. Okay? Kamu boleh wujud rumus kat depan juga. Depan kertas. Ada. So tak payah hafal pun. Just refer the formula in front. Okay? So, wait, this one is a minus. Sorry, I make mistake. Minus y. Okay, then you can start to integrate. Kamikan saja. Okay, so it's equal to pi 9k and then 9 minus y dy. So this is your equation, guys. Okay, so you just integrate lah as normal. Okay, and then the volume is equal to 16 pi. So seluruh yang ni sama dengan 16 pi. So this is the equation you need to solve. Okay, so when you solve, you will get k equal to 3.343. Okay, are you guys clear? Boleh dapat cara selesaikan soalan ni? Clear, right? Okay, but then let me see ya. By fact lah, I feel that must divide 2, right? Kena bahagi 2 kan guys. Sebab dia kata 180 darjah. Am I right? If 180 degrees, basically you should write pi over 2 lah. Okay, because volume mas tengah. If it's 180 degrees. But I think in this case, because it's just a reflection. Dia pantulan sahaja. So I think that's why they never divide by half, because it's the same thing, left hand side and right hand side. Dia benda sama. Okay, because this is the axis of symmetry, paksi Y. Okay, your paksi pantulan. So that's why mungkin mereka tak bahagi setengah lah. Okay, because usually 180 degree must divide by 2, the volume. But over here, they never divide 2. Okay, so you guys just accept lah. Terima saja. Okay, so this is how you should do it. If you try to see your graph that is the same, left hand side, right hand side, dia nampak sama, then no need to divide 2. Okay, tak perlu bahagi 2. Okay guys, are you clear with it? Question 12, boleh? Are you guys okay? Yes or no? So you just solve lah the integration. Okay guys, can we proceed? Boleh pergi lagi? Nak masuk bahagian B dah. Okay? Alright, so for question B, I will do 2 question only. Saya akan buat 2 saja, because you all need to choose 2 only in exam. So can anyone tell me which question you guys want me discuss? Kamu nak saya buat 13, 14 atau 15? Pilih 2. 15 trigo, lakaran graf. 14 simultaneous. 13 vector. Kamu comment. Comment to me. What number you want? 2 question. Kamu type 2 soalan yang kamu nak. I will follow majority. 13, 15. Okay, sama-sama. The rest? Okay, so everyone agree, ya? 13, 15. Okay, so for question 13, we talk about vector. Okay, so for vector, you just label the diagram first. Okay, 6x and then 8y. Okay, so BC equal to 4BQ. Okay, so you must understand the ratio. Kena faham nisbah. Okay, so BC over BQ equal to 4 over 1. Ini cara kamu convert guys. Dari persamaan ke nisbah. You must convert from equation to ratio. Okay, so basically BC is 4 part, BQ is 1 part. So QC is 3 part. Total 4 minus 1. So 3. Okay, so then you can find BQ. So BQ is 1 over 4 times 8y. Okay, so you will get 2y. Okay, so this one is 2y. And then this one will be 6y. Okay, so total 8y. Okay, and then analyze some more. AB equal to 3 over 4 DC. Okay, so you can find DC. Okay, so AB 6x. So DC you will get 8x. Okay, kamu akan dapat 8x. Okay, if you solve the equation. Okay, so you have all the information already. Kamu dapat tengok soalan. Okay, so now express AD in term of x and y. Okay, so you need to use the combination lah of vector. Okay, so AD equal to what guys? AD equal to what? Can you all tell me? Final answer also can. Kamu boleh bagi jawapan akhir. This 8x is for the whole thing guys. 8x ni untuk seluruh DC. Okay. So anyone? AD equal to what? Try to type the vector for me. Type kat saya. Apa kombinasi dia? If you can give final answer also can. Boleh bagi jawapan akhir. So anyone? What is the answer? Apa jawapan dia? AD. Come on guys. It's easy only. Senang saja, cepat, faster. What is your answer? 6x plus 8y amat is 8y. Okay? So total dia 8y kat sini. Okay, so 6x plus 8y minus 8x, betul. Okay, so you will have 6x plus 8y minus 8x. Okay, so the answer is negative 2x plus 8y. Ini jawapan dia. Okay, clear right? Okay, so now question number 2. Soalan kedua. They ask you for QP. Okay, so how do I find QP guys? Very simple. QP is equal to what? This one you cannot find the answer. Kamu tak boleh cari jawapan. You must give in term of lambda. Kamu kena bagi jawapan dalam sebutan lambda. Okay, no other method over here. Okay, so basically, let me see. So you can say QP equal to QC plus CP. Am I right? So you can use this information. dP equal to lambda dC. So dP over dC equal to lambda over 1. So guys, dP lambda, and then dC, total of dC is 1. So baki PC is 1 minus lambda. So you already get the answer. So QP equal to QC 6Y. CP 1 minus lambda. Okay, but you must write out as you must write in form of ratio lah. So CP will basically be, let me see. So you will get 1 minus lambda over 1. Okay, 1 minus lambda bahagi jumlah kali DC. So DC vector berapa? DC vector 8x. Am I right? We found just now 8x. So you just use the vector lah. Okay, tambah dua-dua. So you will get the answer like this. Okay, are you clear guys? C2, I need some response. Kamu kena respond lebih. Boleh dapat? Nombor 2. Can so you guys just expand until you get this answer. Kembangkan saja. Okay, so now they tell that AD and QP are parallel. So guys, parallel, selari. What is the equation you can form using vector? Bentukkan kat saya persamaan melibatkan dua-dua yang ni. I want an equation for these two. If they say parallel. So you must understand the concept of parallel vector. Yes, very good lah. AD equal to HQP. Any letter you like lah. Kamu boleh letak apa-apa huruf kamu suka. Asalkan tak letak lambda lah. Okay, don't put lambda because the earlier question already got lambda. So you will confuse if you just put lambda again. Okay, so basically you just sub all your answer in 1 and 2 inside the equation. Expand, compare left hand side and right hand side. Okay, bandingkan perkali X dan Y, kiri dan kanan plus persamaan. Okay, just compare your left hand side and right hand side. So this one, you compare with this one, compare with this. Okay, boleh? So this is your two equation, then you solve simultaneous, then you find your value of K and lambda. Okay, are you clear guys? Question 13, boleh? Do you guys understand? Clear or not? Okay, so we go to the last question for today. Okay, soalan terakhir, Trigo. Okay guys, the recent trend in Trigo, surprisingly, Trigo question they like to ask to draw graph in paper 1. Trend terkini. Kertas satu Trigo akan keluar tapi dia suruh lukis graph. So take note, you must know how to do this. Okay, so basically it's the same step. Okay, so 15A, they ask you to complete the table. Lengkapkan jadual. So this one basically you guys just sub the value lah in the fraction. Gantikan semua saja, press calculator. Okay, that one nothing to tell lah. Tak ada apa-apa nak bagi tahu. Okay, so when you sub and press calculator, this is all the value. Ini semua nilai dia. Okay, that is 15A. That's all. Okay, just make sure your unit is radian. Okay, so guys, when you use sin X, you must change the calculator mode. Kamu kena tukar mode ke mode radian. Do you guys understand? Don't key in degree. Jangan key in nilai ni dalam darjah. Mode darjah. Salah. Okay, you must convert to mode radian first, your calculator. Then only you key in all the value. Okay? Okay, so now you must draw the graph. Okay, laka graph. Follow the axis, X and Y axis. Okay, follow. So when you draw the graph, just plot all the point. So you will get something like this. Okay, so this is your graph. Okay, any question guys for your graph? Apa-apa nak tanya tentang graph ni? I think it's very standard lah. Very simple to do. Okay, sangat mudah. Okay, so you see how they check your graph. Okay, basically your scale and axis must be correct. 1 mark. Second mark, if you get a sign shape graph, correct. And then all the points you plot correctly. Third mark, and a smooth and perfect graph. Last mark. So this last point how to get guys? Macam mana dapat markah keempat ni? Siapa tahu? So means that when you draw the graph, you must draw it smoothly. Don't have what to say, a certain part of the graph look very thick, certain part of the graph look very thin, your line. Make sure it's uniform throughout. And always draw using freehand. Tangan bebas. That's why this mark, you might not be able to score the last mark. Make sure it is very clear, your graph. Okay? And must go through all the point. Kena lalui semua titik yang kamu plot. Okay, for here you plot many points, right? Based on your table, you plot how many? Total is 9 point, 9 titik over here. So make sure it pass through all the 9 point, your graph. Then you will get the marks. Okay, so that is question B lah. Okay, and then question C, they ask you to draw a straight line. Kamu kena lukis garis lurus. Okay, so for this equation, okay, now guys, important, penting. So this equation, you guys must modify lah until you can get 2 sin x. Am I right? Okay, so now guys, let's see this. May I know what is my first step? How to modify this, guys? You need to get y equal to 2 sin x. Kamu kena dapat persamaan ni. So first step, what do I do? Anyone? This is my end goal. Matlamat saya. So first, what do you do? This equation. Can anyone tell me? You must know how to modify. It's like your linear law. Macam hukum linear. You must know how to modify the equation. So anyone? Hello? How to modify? Macam mana nak modify persamaan ni, guys? First step. Yes, you must make y become the subject lah. Okay, so first step, you can pindahkan x. Am I right? Shift x to the right hand side. Okay, pindahkan x. Second step, what do you all do? Second step, you must divide pi. Am I right? Kamu kena bahagi pi. So you will get 4 sin x equal to, okay, x over pi. And then must divide 2. Bahagi 2. So 2 sin x equal to x over 2 pi. Guys, can you see it? So 2 sin x is what? Y lah. Okay, so y equal to x over 2 pi. So this is your straight line, garis lurus. So you guys just need to draw the straight line. This one. Lukis garis lurus yang ni saja. So basically you guys can plot some point. So straight line just need 2 point, 2 titik saja. So x is 0, y is 0, x is pi, y is 1 over 2. Just plot these two value, okay, on your graph. So this is your straight line. Ini adalah garis lurus. Okay, the next part of the question, they want you to find the solution. What is the x value of the solution? Kamu kena cari nilai x. So basically, you guys just refer to the intersection points. Okay, tengok titik persilangan graph. Okay, so you have 2 solution over here. 2 penyelesaian. Okay, so for this value, right, you guys must read carefully lah. Kena baca nilai ni betul-betul. Okay, so it's over here. So the value is, okay, so you must count and see. Okay, so you must find the scale for one box. So it's pi, wait, okay, so it's pi minus 3 over 4 pi. So basically you have 1 over 4 pi bahagi 10. Okay, so you will get 1 over 40 pi. So over here it is 7. So basically you take 3 over 4 pi plus 7 kotak kecil, 7 small box times 1 over 40 pi. So then you count this answer lah, guys. Okay, cari jawapan yang ni. That will be the answer. Okay, so 7 over 40 plus 3 over 4. So the answer is yes. Okay, 37 over 40 pi. So this is the answer. Ini jawapan dia. Okay. Oh, kalau yang tu kamu kena anggap dia di tengah-tengah lah kotak. You must assume it's in the center. Okay, example you mean is if like this, right? Kalau dia kat tengah-tengah macam ni. Am I right? Something like this, right? Dia macam ni. Wait, let me use a lighter thickness. Okay. Macam ni kan? Soalan kamu macam ni. How to read? Macam mana nak baca? Okay, basically you just take yang ni, tambah yang ni, bahagi 2 lah. That's all. Let's say your graph, when you draw something like this, guys, then you just take the left hand side plus right hand side, the nearest point, tambah 2, bahagi 2 lah. Find the average. Cari purata antara dua nilai. Okay, because you must assume is in the middle. Kamu kena anggap dia kat tengah-tengah. Okay? But for this question, usually when you guys draw, the answer won't be like this lah. Especially this value. Jawapan dia boleh ada jawapan lain juga. Okay, there can be different answer guys. Doesn't mean this is the only answer. Because they will have range. Sebab setiap orang punya sign graph dia takkan sama. Betul? Secara lah. Okay, usually when you guys draw the sign graph, there will be difference. So the point that it intersect also different. Titik persilangan pun beza. So don't worry so much lah on this value. Okay, there will be range. Jangan risau. Okay, so are you guys clear with the questions and the lesson today? Boleh faham semua soalan? Are you guys okay? Hopefully it helped lah. Harap dia bantu hari ni. So hopefully okay lah. So any question you want to ask before